Hello, my name is Charles Porter and this is 40.2, Designing an Exercise Program. So, designing an exercise program, you have your client. So, my client is Aaron, he is 17, he lives in Billingshurst, he has no illnesses or injuries, and he's had no illnesses or injuries in the past, so he's fairly in a good state. But his granddad and his great-granddad have suffered from heart disease, so that is an issue to take in hand. He does not smoke, which is obviously positive, because smoking is definitely bad for you. And he works on Saturdays for 5 hours, so maybe that's negative and I might have to work around that. But he does have 20-minute break, and they can vary, so they can vary in length. They can be shorter, or they can be longer. So once again, you have to work around them. He walks to work, so that's really good because he's very physical active. He states he's lazy at work though, so this may lead into the sessions, as he might not be as willing to give 100%, but he does state that he will give 100% in the sessions. He has no allergies. He prefers pasta, curry and stir fries, so majority of them are healthy food full of carbohydrates and vegetables, meats. He plays basketball, sure, so that's definitely a good thing. So he's very physically active, and it's a 30-minute drive. And he also trains for basketball 2 times a week, so it shows that he's very committed to his sport. So linking back with the basketball and basically how active he is, so his targets will obviously be more physically rather than losing weight, so health. So it'd be more physical than health. So he wants to improve his power and strength, as he needs to be jumping up to get the ball, say in a rebound more often, and he needs to, on a counter attack, he needs to attack quicker. So that's what he wants to improve. So by doing this, I could be doing the standing broad jump and vertical jump test to test his jump height and his power off his legs. And he aims to improve his muscular strength and muscular endurance. So the main areas he needs to focus on are biceps, triceps, quads, and gastrocnemius. So your leg muscles and your arm muscles, basically. So let's jump into the weeks. So this is the first week. So for the first week, so as you can see here, I've put on where he's training and his rest days and his work day and matches and another rest day. So he's in a college throughout the week as well, from Monday to Friday. That they vary in length as well. But most of my fitness sessions will be in the evening. So on the Monday, I'm just having the one session with him for the week, and then progressively overload. And after each week, I'll add a new something new into the week. So for the first day on the Monday, I'm just going to be fitness testing him, seeing what stage he's at, so to test his attributes, to show what he's capable of, and what areas he needs to improve on. So I'll do things like the Harvard step test, so 5 minutes high intensity, maximum effort, testing your power, and then I'll do, so then for the warm up, it'll be a moderate warm up, 12 RPE, so a mixture of different stretches, so static and non-static stretches, and then light cool down, so static stretching, so stretching of the arms, stretching of the legs, and then for the warm up, so you do like open and close the gate sort of thing. So also with the fitness testing, I could do things like the dynamometer test, to test your strength. The hand grip dynamometer test, just to test your strength, see what stage he's at. And I could also chuck in the Cooper test just to see if his cardiovascular fitness is up to date and is at the right, what it should be. And I could also do the vertical jump test, as what I said earlier, to see how high you can jump in relation to, say, rebound. So moving on to week 2. So for week 2 here, I've added a circuit training session, and I've still got the fitness testing. So throughout all the weeks, I'm going to keep doing fitness testing, just to see after each week, seeing if he's improving or not. And if he's not, then I can bump up different training sessions, or if he is improving, I can maybe lower. So yeah, so with fitness testing this week, I'll do the same sort of things. So I'm doing moderate warm up, 12 RPE, so a mixture of both dynamic and non-dynamic stretches. So open and close the gate again, and then the cool downs, it'll be a light cool down, static stretching again. So basically, yeah, just to see if he's improving after each week, and I might possibly change some tests. So, say for example, if his cardiovascular fitness is doing all right, then I might change that test as he doesn't have to do it. So I've still got his training sessions in there and the rest day. So then on the Friday at the gym, I'm going to take him to the gym, and we're going to do circuit training. So I'm going to do this in the evening as he's at college during the day. So it'll be a moderate warm up, 10 RPE, doing dynamic stretches, and then so open and close the gates and different lunges and things, and then a light cool down, 8 RPE, so static stretching, the arms and the legs. So for the Friday, for the circuit training, I'm going to start off lightly, so then after each week I can progressively overload it, and basically so he can also get the hang of things and get into a routine. So for the circuit training, it's going to be 5 sections, 5 stations, 1 minute on each, so he needs to put in 100% effort, and it's really high intensity. There'll be 15 seconds rest after each section. So the first one, we'll have shuttle runs, so he needs to aim to achieve 7 lengths. The second section will be tricep dips, he will aim to reach 25 of them. And then next one is ladders, so running up and down the ladders, he will aim to reach 7 of them. And bicep curls, he will do 10 kg, 30 reps, and 15 on each arm. So 30 reps, 15 on each arm. And he will do bench steps, so sort of like the half step test, on benches. So the bench steps, and he will aim to reach 25 of them. So all of these will be done in a minute. So then moving on to week 3. So as you can see, I've still got the fitness testing in there, so that's all the same. Same warm ups, same cool downs, just to make the test fair, and yeah, just to see where he's heading. And then yes, definitely might maybe change the Cooper test probably, because Aaron's already alright with his cardiovascular fitness. So then on the Friday, I haven't added another section in for this week, as I'm gonna progressively overload the circuit training quite a bit, and then on the next week I'll add another session, but this week. So going back to the gym again. So moderate warm up again, light cool down, again. So I'm going to gradually increase the workload, so progressive overloading. So I'm going to increase the intensity. So he's still going to be doing 5 stations, but this time he's going to be doing 1.5 minutes on each. So 1 minute 30 on each. So he needs to put in high amounts of effort, high intensity, 100% effort, and he's going to have 15 seconds rest still. But also this time he's going to repeat each station 2 times. So he'll go around once and do every section, and then after that he'll go around and do it again. So he's going to do the shuttle runs. So he's going to aim for reach 10 this time. Then he's going to do the tricep dips, and this time and then he's going to aim to reach 40. Then he's doing the ladders, and this time he's going to aim to reach 10. Bicep curls, he's doing 10 kg, 40 reps, 20 on each arm. Bench steps, he's going to try and reach 35. So then moving on to week 4.